The P0340 code appears when the engine control module detects a problem with the camshaft position sensor circuit. The camshaft position sensor monitors the rotation of the camshaft and sends this data to the ECM. The ECM then uses this information to control ignition timing, fuel injection, and variable valve timing. If the sensor signal is missing or erratic, the ECM can't properly adjust engine timing, leading to drivability issues. But what causes this code? The first thing to check is the camshaft position sensor itself. If the sensor is failing or completely dead, it won't send a proper signal to the ECM. This can happen due to internal electrical failures, heat damage, or contamination from oil and debris. Replacing the sensor is often the best fix. The next possibility is damage to corroded wiring connected to the camshaft position sensor. If the wires are broken, shorted, or have excessive resistance, the ECM may receive an intermittent or no signal at all. Check the wiring harness for cracks, fraying, or corrosion at the connectors and repair or replace any damaged sections if needed. The next cause could be a loose, corroded, or damaged sensor connector. If the connection is weak, the ECM may get an inconsistent signal, triggering the P0340 code. Inspect the connector for bent pins, moisture intrusion, or dirt buildup, and clean or replace if necessary. The next possibility is a stretched or misaligned timing chain or belt. Since the camshaft position sensor relies on the correct movement of the camshaft, any slack or misalignment in the timing components can throw off the sensor's readings. If your vehicle has high mileage or you hear rattling noises coming from the timing cover, it might be time to inspect or replace the timing chain or belt. Now, in rare cases, a failing ECM can be the problem. If the ECM has internal issues or a software glitch, it could fail to process the camshaft sensor signal. But before jumping to that conclusion, make sure you've ruled out everything else first. Now, if you've dealt with this code before, drop a comment down below and share how you fixed it. It could help someone else out.